We're going to do an unboxing today. We went to SacAnime over the weekend and got a blind box. I got a blind bag also. Blind bag has Rem on it. She's really cute. Anyway, so we're gonna open her up. That sounds bad. Scratch that. Unbox and unbag these items right here. Make sure you stay till the end of the video because anything that we don't want, we're probably gonna end up giving away. Baka! Alright guys, here's the box. Freaking Shenron on there. Well, let's go ahead and open this because I'm actually really excited to see what's in here. I guess we should just reach in here. I kind of took a peek. I saw something from Naruto, so we'll grab that guy first. Naruto ramen. I didn't know he had his own flavor of ramen. Nada likes Naruto flavored ramen. Hey. Next is a Naruto figurine. Next item, some playing cards. I'm no otaku, I don't know what this is. Project Eva. Who knows what Project Eva is? I haven't watched that anime yet. Oh, that's that volleyball one. I haven't watched that. That's a Haikyuu patch. Boom. I hope I'm saying that right. I have not seen this, so it could be yours. Next item. I know those teeth though. No, I'm gonna go ahead and open this because you're not getting it. Oh, you know what? You know who this is. Or it might be a mashup because this side looks like Ryuk. Those are definitely like Ryuk teeth, right?
Yeah.
This side looks like Hisoka. Ryuk on this side. And Hisoka from Hunter x Hunter on this side. Alright guys, so that last one is cool. Let's see what's in here next. Boom, Inuyasha keychain. That's pretty cool. There's a nice detail on this keychain. I like it, probably not enough to keep though. Next, a sticker. Oh, ooh, a book. Hey, manga. Oh shit. That's awesome. The first one. So chapter 1, Day in the Capital. Nice! A whole freaking manga in there. Those things are expensive actually. Anyway, so there's half the value just right there. Black Rock Shooter. Have no idea what that is. It's a sticker though. So if you know what that is, let me know. A clothing item in here. It's a shirt. I don't know. Seeing as I have no idea what it is. Anyway, if you know what that is, let us know. Alright, and two more. Oh, another sticker. They gave us two of those. Last item looks like a poster. Yep. Last item's poster. Ooh. And that's it for the box. The box is empty. If you want the box, let me know too. So yeah, that's it for the blind box. Actually, there was a lot of really nice items in there. My favorite one's probably this bandana right now. The poster was really cool, and getting that ReZero manga was awesome. Yeah, I would say that there's at least 40 bucks worth of items in there, so I feel pretty happy with that. First blind box I've ever done, and I was pleasantly surprised with it. If you guys are liking these unboxings, let us know. We can do some more of those. I'll get them off eBay or Amazon or whatever, wherever we can get them. Alright guys, that's it for the unboxings. Anything we don't like, we'll probably give away. Let us know if you want it. If you did like this unboxing, got one more coming at you. Again, we're going to do this bag with Rem on it. We haven't opened that one yet. So this is going to be next. Make sure you're liking, commenting on this video. That's it today for Finding Yugen. Thanks for checking out our unboxing video. We'll see you again next time. Later.